In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Cakewalk project. Now to do this, first you want to open your project and then you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to hover over Export. Now from here you're going to have a few different options. As you can see, some of them are grayed out and of course you can't click on those in your current situation, but these that aren't grayed out you can click on and actually export as that thing. So if you go and try to export as a audio, you can just click on over here, but that's going to actually export this as an audio file. It's not going to export the actual project, okay? If you want to, you can go and do that as well. It's going to export as an audio file, but of course, more commonly, you can go over here, and if you want to export your project, you can use something like Cakewalk Interchange. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to basically save it as a CXF file, and you can then use this to essentially import this back into Cakewalk Sonar. You could also go and import into Cakewalk Next or any similar programs, okay? So that's going to be kind of the best way to export your project, but you have the options of track templates and OMF over here as well. So if I go and pick this one, for example, I'm going to click on here and I'm going to save this into my tutorial folder. I'm going to leave it as tutorial 1, for example, and I'm going to hit the save button. There we go, it's going to get saved. And of course, if you ever want to import that project again, you can just go to File, Import, find it, and of course you want to click on Cakewalk Interchange over here, find your file, click on Open, and it's going to open just like this, okay? So that's how to export a Cakewalk project. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.